Hey, it is your girl Mel B, the Master Motivation. I just came to love on you, encourage you, and to take you on another vacation with me. Now listen up. You all have gone to Thailand with me. You've gone to Japan, you've gone to Dubai, and this time you're going to go with me and that man to China. Now, I need for you to stay focused because I know you used to Nola jumping up and down and recording me. This video is absolutely not about that man. It is about you getting your Chinese visa and doing things the right way before you book your accommodations to China. Now, one thing I realized during this process is that China runs a very strict program, and you gotta follow the rules. There's a process for your tourist or your business visa, not just paperwork, and so you gotta understand the steps. It's important for you to understand your visa consulate. It's based on the state that you live in, not just any location, but your state's assigned location. And so you know I'm in Alabama. The Houston consulate actually closed. So for me, it's now Washington, D.C. This means you filling out an application online, you getting your photos together, you make sure that you get like a passport photo with a white background, you have to have your background documentation, and you have to mail off your actual passport. Now, you do have the option to fly to Washington, D.C. or whichever location you're assigned to, but you have to remember this, that you drop off your passport and then you have to wait days for them to call you back to pick it up. So consider that if you're booking a flight. Here's what I want to explain, that if you have a background, you have to actually document this in your application process. It'll make it easier and it'll cut the time shorter. Make sure that you have your legal documents ready to upload and an actual explanation for what went on, when it went on, and where you are currently. Now, don't let that stop you, but don't let it get you caught off guard because I want you to have all the deets before you even get started. Now, here was the advantage that we had. My brother actually was our direct contact to help secure and navigate the visa process. He made it so simple. So if you're in Washington, D.C., I'll drop his information because he could be your boots on the ground. I think it made it a lot easier. He was going every day, making sure everything was in order, making sure that we were good so we could head out next week. Now, here are the things that you're going to need, sister, brother, cousin. A valid passport with 6 months minimum of validity, a completed visa application, passport size photos, specific dimensions are required, and you have to have a clear background, proof of travel. Now, this wasn't required because a lot of people don't book it up front until your visa is approved. Proof of accommodations, this may be required, is based off of your actual consulate, background explanation letter if needed, and if you are doing business, you need a business invitation letter if you're going for any business process of sourcing directly. Make sure you have that letter. So now you have the steps to go ahead and obtain your visa. Make sure you follow these steps because it'll make it a lot easier as you're booking your travel to China. It is your girl Mel B, the Master of Motivation. I just came to love on you, encourage you, and to tell you to explore this big world.